In this video, I am going to discuss with you how to solve assessment tax questions. Assessment tax is a tax charged by any urban council or provincial council according to an assessed value of a certain building. In this example, the assessed value of this particular building is 200,000 rupees. The tax percentage is 2%. The tax percentage is for an year. In first part, we have to calculate the annual assessment tax value. Annual tax is exactly 2% of this 200,000 rupees. So we have to just multiply the amount by the percentage. 2% is 2 over 100. When we simplify this one, we will get our tax amount as 4,000 rupees. This 4,000 rupees tax amount must be paid for a year. Then we have to calculate the quarterly assessment tax. There are 4 quarters for 1 year. That means we have to divide this annual tax value by 4. Quarterly assessment tax is 1,000 rupees. Okay, this is our second example. In this example, the annual assessment tax value is given 1,000 rupees. Here we have to calculate the assessed value of this property. For that, you have to keep this equation in mind. Normally, for any tax calculation, we are just multiplying the percentage by that amount. Then you can obtain the tax. So here the tax amount is given. We have to calculate amount. Keeping that equation in mind, substitute. The tax value is 1,000 rupees. Amount is unknown. So put any unknown term for that. Into tax percentage is given as 2%. When we subject A, we will get 1,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 2. Assessed value of this property is 50,000 rupees. So when the assessed value of a property is given, for you to calculate the tax, just multiply that assessed value by that percentage. If the tax amount is given, for you to calculate the assessed value, like in this example, keep this equation in mind and substitute the given tax value here and equal that to an unknown term, multiply by the percentage. Then subject this unknown term, you will get the assessed value. Now I am going to discuss the question in 2015 O-level paper regarding assessment tax. In this question, the quarterly tax value is given as 750 rupees. In first part, we have to calculate the assessment tax per year. In previous example, I discussed with you there are 4 quarters for 1 year. So if the value of 1 quarter is given, to find the assessment tax for a year, we have to multiply that amount by 4. Annual tax is 3,000. In second part, we have to calculate the annual value of the building. So our tax amount is 3,000. Tax percentage is 15%. Now we have to calculate the assessment value of the building. According to our tax equation, first we have to substitute tax. Tax amount is 3,000. That is equivalent to annual value or assessed value of the building into tax percentage. Tax percentage is 50. When we subject A and simplify that, we will get the annual value or assessed value. In this question, our annual value is 200,000 rupees. Next, I'm going to discuss with you 2011 question regarding assessment credit. Here the tax percentage is given as 12% and quarterly tax value is 1500 rupees. We have to calculate the assessed value. First we have to calculate the annual tax. If the quarterly tax is 1500, we have to multiply that by 4 since there are 4 quarters. Then our tax value is 6000 rupees. Then according to our tax equation, tax equals assessed value, it is unknown, into tax percentage, 12 over 100. When we subject A, we will get our assessed value. Twelve times 1, 12 times 500. Assessed value is 50,000.